Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val today from OUTU School of Community Medicine. So much fun. I know, I feel like I say that all the time.
We do have fun though.
But we do. It's so fun to learn about all these little different things that you can just, healthier steps. Right. So what are we talking about today?
Okay, today we are not going to heat up the kitchen. You're just going to need a knife and a cutting board, and which I don't even have in front of me because we prepped it all beforehand. But we are going to taste some fruit because the idea here is to eat more fruit, you know, right? Get more fruit into your diet, and rather than just maybe, I don't want to say it's boring just to eat fruit, but jazz it up a little bit.
Right, give it a little more oomph.
So if you were on the beach somewhere or in a big city, you might find that they're selling slices of fruit.
For a little healthier option.
Right. So we're just going to start out with what you might eat. So if you want to grab like a piece of cantaloupe, and we're going to put a little bit of honey on there. Actually, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of honey on the plate. You can go ahead.
Oh, perfect.
And you're going to cut a little piece of that off, and just a tiny bit of honey and a little bit of lime juice right on here.
I'm just starting to dig in.
Yeah, do it. To give it a little bit different seasoning.
Get it in the lime juice, and then the lime juice and the honey, you said.
I'm going to reach over you because I'm going to get your next bite going here. So that just gives it a little something extra.
It's a perfect little alternative and just gives a little more flavor.
Yeah. So lime juice or lime zest and watermelon is a very classic combination. And so if you just want to try a little bit of the lime zest and watermelon together, very delicious. And so you might have made a fruit salad in the past. Like, that's really yummy, right? Right. It changes it.
It totally changes
it. It doesn't taste like, oh, this is watermelon with lime on it. It really changed it into something different. So I'm gonna use the same plate for you, but oops.
Hey, that's all right.
Throwing berries.
Throwing berries around.
And so mint. I mean, I know we always see desserts that have a mint leaf on them, and it's pretty. It might not necessarily. Usually, a garnish is supposed to indicate like, oh, hey, there's some mint in here. But with desserts, that
doesn't always happen.
No. But we are going to put just a little bit of mint, and then dip it in a little tiny bit of honey also, and try that.
So the mint and the honey.
Yeah.
And it's all things very reasonable that you could have around.
Right. Well, and the mint. So if you don't have any mint growing, you could start this in a pot this year, and you will have mint forevermore. It's taking over all of my flower beds. Okay, and so we do not necessarily, we're not supporting or proposing that you use any specific product, but we do like tahini. And so you want to be a little bit careful with this because it does have a high sodium content, but it's citric acid, dried lime, salt, and chilies, So there are different brands of this available, but this is very popular.
But again, you're just giving, not to say basic fruit, because it's not. You need it, you should enjoy it, but you're just giving it a little extra to make it more appetizing.
Yeah. So if you want to take it out here, tell you what, even easier. We'll just put it on
one of these.
Yep.
I'm gonna swish it around. You know, swish.
Right. So you might find these. I know I said on the beach already, but wrapped up in paper, tied with a string, in a solo cup like this,
and it gives it a lot more flavor. And again, you feel like you're getting more than fruit, a fun snack.
Right.
As you're on the beach or wherever you are this summer. Perfect, thank you. This was great information. And if you want to learn more about this or any of the other recipes we have, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.